Moving on, Kiambu Senator Karungo Thangwa and former Limuru Member of Parliament Peter Mwathi have declined to record statements with the DCI regarding chaos that erupted last week in a funeral that was attended by former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua in Limuru. Now, the two leaders honored summons to appear at the DCI headquarters along Kiambu Road, but chose not to record statements, opting to remain silent. Now, the leaders have accused the state of intimidation. Jeff Kirui with more details.
Since Thursday last week, Kiambu Senator Karungo Thangwa and former Limuru MP Peter Mwathi have been on the crosshairs of the state following chaos that rocked a funeral in Limuru that was attended by former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua. After heeding summons to appear before DCI in Nyeri County, the two leaders were redirected to appear at the DCI headquarters along Kiambu Road. The two agreed to appear but chose to remain silent and not record statements.
We cannot come here to try to help DCI to do the investigation. They are the investigation branch. So for us, we feel that this is part of the intimidation, trying to make sure that we don't serve our people.
If you imagine that you can intimidate us to measure the resolve that we have, we are extremely determined to speak for our people, determined to speak for our nation, and determined to stand strong and stand for what we actually believe in.
The DCI wants Senator Karungo Thangwa and Peter Mwathi to shed light on what happened at the chaotic Limuru funeral. During the burial ceremony, several mourners were injured when suspected goons invaded the event, forcing those in attendance, including Gachagua, to scamper to safety. The family of the late Erastus Muigai have been forced to bear the cost of damages incurred during the funeral.
Kabla ya kijana yangu kupata hiyo shida, kwangu hakuna mheshimiwa alikuwa amekanyaga. Kwa hivyo sina ushirikiano na waheshimiwa ati ya kwamba tulipanga jama.
Limuru MP John Kiragu has called on investigating agencies to hasten investigations and take action against perpetrators of the violence.
There are people, instead of going to give information, is to run away, to talk of abduction, gimmicks. Let's get information to DCI and let the DCI people do their part.
Jeff Kirui, KT.